river flows one direction, and fishes, they follow the flow. But what if one tried to mention that there was much more?
Daddy, I'm changing my outfit to red. Look, Daddy. And the green honey.
So you'll be warm already too.
Michi, say hi. Where are you, Michi?
In the airport.
In the airport where?
Here.
Say Taipei.
And also, where have so many things and items. And also, we're going to get something up.
Okay, so we're heading to the US.
Yes, and see Baba.
Okay.
And also, we're gonna fly so many airplanes.
Can you say, see you soon, Baba?
See you soon, Baba.
Colors set them apart. Here I am, I have a plan. I'm living free, don't know where I'll land. Here I am, I have a plan. I'm living free, don't know where I'll land. Here I am, I have a plan. I'm living free, don't know where I'll land. Here I am, I have a plan. I'm living.
Now, welcome to Lake Thunderbird.
Where is it?
We're in Norman, Ohio. No, I'm not. It's Norman, Oklahoma.
Dito ron mag-ano yung puto.
Punta tayo sa dock, guys. Nandito kami sa baba. Yan, dito magda-dock yung sasakyan. Yung boat. Dito tatalon sila, no? O, diba? Madilim na siya. Almost 9 in the evening now. Tignan mo si Reo. Oo. Iniwanan ka ng asawa mo? Walang pera? Dance, 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 boogie, boogie.
Ayun, may buwan pa. Ang ganda ng buwan. Isip ko dito natin. Tagal na ngayon.
Ang daming nagka-camping guys. Dito ata sila matutulog. Naka-tent sila. So yan, maraming sasakyan din dito sa baba. Tapos sa taas meron din. Uwi na kami.